Humans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. Girl, it's just this hoe. Oh my gosh, guys, if you see glitter all over my face, no, I did not go out partying. I did try to put some glitter eyeshadow on and it has gone the wrong way. I mean, it is everywhere and all over, girl. Glitter, I love the way you look, but beach, you get in every crevice and crook and cranny, and normally I'm about that, but no. Yeah, so if you see me shiny glitter face, it's because she doesn't know how to apply makeup. There we go. All right, today let's get into it. I have a Versace sale unboxing. I bought this stuff over a month ago. I think that Versace, as Winnie would say, these things went into the sale. I love how they say that. And so I scooped up some things. I thought about it for a day or two and then I was like, do I need, yep, I need these things. I didn't. Last year, remember, at Christmas, I bought a really cool Lady Gaga concert tee. So this year, no different. But bag of the day is, girl, this little number. And look who got smart and did the shoulder. Yep, she did. So that is bag of the day. Doesn't matter what I'm wearing. Does it match? No, but we don't care. Also, my scent of the day is a little manly, but I like it too. It is La Male in the holiday edition bottle from either last year or year before. But anyhow, yeah, Bill's not wearing it and I love it, and I don't know what to tell you. I love it as a as a female scent. Here we go. So I have been into this package. So it's not a true unboxing, but who cares? I did get in and look at it because, my God, I've had it for so friggin' long. But they package their stuff so nicely. The prices, even on sale, still very, very high. There was a little sticker right here, but okay. Now last year when I got the shirt, same concert tee and everything, it was a little less expensive last year, but I got a huge box for it. Don't know why. That's what they were doing last year. This year, she comes in a little appropriately. I think this is appropriately sized for what it is. That box was overkill. It's still sitting over there behind that door. It is huge, girl. Oh, that's what she said and he said. So this year it is, it is the Cher Versace tee, concert tee, I guess, or just a collab they had together. It was the Pride t-shirt, and it also has, it says celebrating love and unity, and you've got Donatella's signature, and then Cher in the brightly rainbow color. I like this. I think this is cute. You will see me wearing this. I thought it was appropriate, and I just think this shirt was $500 and some odd dollars. Would it say? It should say, right? But anyway, I got the largest, biggest size, and I think it will fit. Last year I got like the next two, maybe 2 sizes down from the biggest, and it's really snug. I don't know what. Maybe it's drawn up. I don't know what's happened since last year. Oh yeah. Yeah, I do. She's discovered food again. But I do love that t-shirt. I thought you guys would get a kick out of it. And staying with the theme, I know this is probably wrong of me to do, and these probably won't fit me right, but I will just resell if I can't wear them. But I absolutely love these. And somebody did say, like, stop buying kids' shoes. These are a 39. What kid wears a like 8.5 in women's? Come on now. I guess boy shoes, like big kid boy shoes. I don't know, but I thought they were in the kids section, big kids section, but they're a size 39. So then I was like, okay. But somebody did say, like, stop buying kids shoes. They're not made for grown people. But I've seen some kids with big feet and probably as big as me, so I'm just saying. But look how friggin' cute these are. I really hope they work. They're kind of heavy. I think I tried this one on at first, and it was a little creepy right here in this seam. I was feeling it, so I thought, well, maybe if I loosen it up just a teeny, it'll be okay. But how cute are these? I love these sneakers. I think they're adorable. I think they make them in the big people, but guys, this is like an 8.5 in women's, a size 39. So I said, to hell with it, I'm getting them. I'm gonna try them. If they don't work, it's probably too late to send. You know what? Did I get these at Nordstrom? Oh wait, no, these came straight from Versace. It's probably too late. It's probably been 5 weeks, I guess, 4 or 5 weeks since I ordered these. Probably too late to return. I got these for $200, so the shirt was $212, and these, I want to say, were right around the same price because I paid like less than $500, right around $4 something. Don't tell my husband. I just thought these were the most adorable with the shoelace. Yes, girl, you could not tell me nothing when I saw these were on sale. Look how cool they do the bottom. It's got the Medusa head in the bottom of the sole. They thought of everything. I love. So yeah, we'll see if these work out. Those flip-flops I bought last year, they did not work. They fit me fine. I could wear them, but the top, the very top, not flip-flop, but they were swim pool slides. Yeah, you know, I love my slides. But the very top of my foot towards the toe, where the end, when I would walk, it would, oh God, it would dig in right there and it hurt to dickens. Oh my God, I hated that. So I am selling those on if you are into a size 38 Versace in the, what do they call it? The Greco print. Yeah, I have those for sale. So, all right guys, that's really it. Oh wait, Mean Girl shirt time because it's Christmas. Yes, yes, yes. My daughter has already tried to steal this shirt and I'm like, no, no, no. Because look how friggin' cute this is. This came from Lucky. I will link it if they have any left. They run this every year for the past few years. And this year I was like, in July it went on sale and I was like, hell yeah, I'm getting it now because it was like 11 bucks. So if it's on sale at Lucky, I will post down below. As I do get down to my box and roll around. If you'll do me a favor, guys, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, did you do it? Thank you! As glitter, that was real glitter, guys. I have so much glitter on my eyeballs that glitter just poof, poof, poof. I just walk around. Remember that kid on, what was it, the Snoopy, the Peanuts, Pigpen? You know, he walked around in a cloud of, that's me, only it's glitter. Hey, yes, all right then. I'm ready to go to a club, girl. And if you will do me a favor, hit the like and also comment down below. I was like, I can't think. Oh yeah, commenting. She's losing it. Senior mind. It's going. All right, I'm coming back on, so this is Wednesday. Yes, tomorrow's Bill's birthday. And then, so happy birthday to my hubs. We just had our anniversary. Thanks to all the well wishes and happy anniversary kisses. I loved that. On Friday, we will do our Secret Santa unboxing and unwrapping for you. I can't wait for that. I can't wait to see what I got. So that's coming up on all of our channels, on Winnie's, on Autumn's, on Blitzen, on Dawn's, on Yota's, and Devin's. All of our channels, we'll link them all. That's coming up on Friday, so don't miss that. And if y'all could do me one more favor, if y'all see my husband though, girl, woo-hoo-hoo, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I am feeling festive though with the glitter all over my face, but remember Meredith sent me a bunch of really cool things for Christmas. These were in there, but I didn't want to take off my Ideal earrings, my diamonds, so I thought I'd put them in my second hole, girl. Koalas in my second hole. I love it. Aren't they so cute? Little koala Santas. Love. Thank you, Meredith. Okay, what Christmas song will she sing? What did I just talk about? Some of you will get this and some of you will know right before I start singing it. April, I'm looking at you, girl. It is second hole, second hole, second hole earrings. Biatch.